Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you need something that is like a bungee cord, but is rubber, to tie things down, like on your car, this video is for you. So this company sent me a pack of a variety of different sizes of these rubber style bungee cords to give my feedback on how durable and stretchable these things are. But no way whatsoever these being provided to me a fictitious review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Now, this is a pack that has 10 pieces in a variety of different lengths. You have 2 that are 10 inch, 2 that are 15, 4 that are 21, and 2 that are 31 inches. These can be stretched not quite 50% of their total length. I would say a little bit less. These are different than a traditional bungee cord that is kind of woven with the rubber core. These are definitely more of an industrial strength bungee, and they definitely do stretch. They also come with a stainless steel hook on both sides that are very strong. These could be used, for example, let's say you're tying something to a top of a vehicle, such as a rod holder. If you're fishing, you can put a rod on top. And because these are rubber coated, especially when you're trying to bolt down something that is also rubber, that gives you some additional friction between the actual rubber band, which I will call this is like a rubber band, and the actual plastic item that you're strapping down. These hooks are very well made. They are bent here, creased here, or crimped here, so they don't come off. Due to the variety of different lengths, there are a lot of options based on the application needed to tie down. So 10 inch, 15, 21, and 31 inches long as here. The hook size is the exact same on each, and you got about an inch and a half gap right here. And these themselves are probably about 1.25 inches thick, the actual rubber part. Very strong, very durable, ties things down nice and tight, and they're definitely not going to go anywhere. And just having a variety of different options here size-wise means you don't have to try to overstretch something to get it to fit. You just change the size to the one that fits best, and you're good to go. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about these very handy and convenient and quite durable rubber bungee cords, and we'll talk to you soon.